How to stop public from following you on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to stop public from following you on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down again until you find this one, followers and public content. And now if you want to stop public from following you, just click this one here, click on friends, and as you see now only friends can follow you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.